Yo, what's up, traders? For those who haven't watched the previous video, I've recently switched up my mentality and trading regarding risk-reward ratios, which impacted my trading quite a bit. Little background story: I'm funded with three companies right now: FTMO, Equity Edge, and Funding Pips, and I've been profitable for about 1.5 years now out of my 2+ years of trading. Um, I've always traded 2+ risk rewards, at least minimum, mostly 3, 4x, whatever. However, that comes with a lower win rate, and a lower win rate is also very tough on your mental. So, with me wanting to teach people and have like a sustainable strategy that I can also sort of really build upon, know the win rate very well, and scale it up into the future, I really just needed to try a little shift, and I think I might have found it. So I wanted to share it with you guys, see what your guys' opinion on it is. And yeah, I'm just basically gonna share the strategy for free. Right now it has like 44 wins I've tested, or 42, and 18 losses. So almost a 70% win rate, which is like crazy. But yeah, with a one risk reward. I think it's fairly simple, but yeah, I hope I explained it well. If you have any questions or whatever, or you like it or you don't like it, whatever, let me know in the comments or in the Discord. And supporting the channel by subscribing and liking is very much appreciated. It keeps me motivated to make this sort of content and hopefully provides value to you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. It's a structure-based strategy, so you need to know how structure works. Basically, structure for me is uh, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, since it broke above this, and until... Why isn't it going like this? Come on, let me grab it. Okay, okay. Unless one of these gets broken, this is still bullish to me. Um, so well, you could consider this a low actually, but let's for this sake keep it like this. This get broken, so we have a new higher high here, and the higher low shifts to here basically. That's how this works for me. So every, like in this area, as you can see, I'm only looking for buys. As you can see here, I was only looking for buys. 1, 2, 3, 4 buys, right? Because this was my the area, like the structure. The structure was here bullish for me, so I'm only looking for buys. So basically, when will I enter? I'll enter whenever I have basically a rejection candlestick. So I prefer a hammer or a doji. And I'm not sure if I can show you the book because of copyright stuff, but really check out the Candlestick Bible. It teaches you a lot about the different candlesticks. But basically, candles like this, I like it. It leaves a wick for it to be filled. It ends a little bit bullish. It also had like a little pull down, and then you have a rejection candle, so signaling it potentially moves up with in combination with the bullish structure, of course. We lost this trade, but then this one is the same. We had a nice little push downwards, and all we were waiting for, because structure is still bullish in my opinion, we're waiting for a rejection candle, which we had in the like in the show, in whatever, like this doji. Basically, this was the rejection candle. I was fairly confident it would hit the TP there, and then similar to this, we have like a little move up, then a move down again, and we're waiting for another rejection candle, another doji. It's my favorite candlestick. We enter for a buy, it hits. Here the same, it moves up, we wait for a little retracement, another doji, and we go for a buy. Similar here, like this basically what we do. Um, so the thing is, I use basically a static, what's it called, stop loss and take profit size of 100 or 10 pips, if you want to name it, 100 pips or 10 normal pips. Um, so yeah, 100. Sometimes if the structure, like let's say I would enter here, right? Like here, like it doesn't make sense, but just bear with me. And the wick is here, then sometimes I do it like this, 130 or 140, just to give it a little bit more room, and I hire my TP to 140 as well, right? Just keep it one risk reward. Um, and basically very simple what you do, you basically trail your higher highs, higher lows, or it becomes a lower low, lower high, and you trail it with the trend, so you know, okay, we're only looking for buys still, we're only looking for buys. And then let's see if when it gets broken, where are we looking for shorts? We're looking for shorts here. It's basically because like structure was bullish right up until like this was the bullish structure here. It got broken, so it became bearish. So the lower low is here, lower high is there. So everything in between, I'm looking for shorts. So we were looking for shorts here. I'm not sure if it hit the TP or the SL first. I'm not going to go to a lower time frame because it's a little bit unhandy. But yeah, it got broken again, right? As you can see here, it got broken. So now this becomes the higher high, and this becomes the higher low. It's get broken. So then we switch again, lower low, lower high, and new one, lower low, and then here the lower high. And then that's get broken, we become bullish, so we're looking for longs again. This is the higher low, higher high. And then we're looking for buys, it hit SL, that's fine. And then the shift of structure happens again here because it got broken under, right? So you will need to understand structure. I can babble on about it for a long time. But yeah, that's basically it. Like we're just looking for simple rejection candlesticks in combination with structure. Is the structure bearish? We look for shorts. Is the structure bullish? We look for longs. Um, yeah, I hope I explained it well. If you have any questions regarding the strategy, or you want to help me test it or whatever, yeah, join the Discord, chat with me, and yeah, hopefully we can make something nice out of this. And yeah, so far the signs have been super positive. So I'm definitely thinking about like implementing it more. And yeah, um, I really hope that you had some value out of this video. Let me know what you think. If you like the strategy, I really like to keep trading simple. I've never traded super difficult strategies. I've always traded areas of interest in combination with structure and with EMA. And this strategy is even simpler. Basically just structure, bullish versus bearish, and just rejection candlesticks, and also just one time frame. I only use a 15-minute time frame. I've tested it most on USD JPY, but feel free to test it on whatever. I think it's probably profitable on like in most time frames, etc. But I'm I'm not sure. I haven't tested it. This is not financial advice. Just do your own research. I'm just showing what I have learned, and I hope you got some value out of it. If you like this sort of content, leaving a like, subscribe, comment is very much appreciated. And yeah, join the Discord. Come chat with us. We're a little growing community of like-minded people trying to improve in trading. So yeah, if you're like that, feel free to join. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all have a nice trading week. Thank you.